All right, welcome back to the flat. After a rough day's plastering last time, I'm going to be doing a bit of making good, filling the rough spots, sorting out all the corners, getting it all ready for some paint. And then it's time to finally throw some colour on the walls. Flat's actually starting to look like a space rather than a dusty old building site. With that being said, let's get into it.
Lights, camera, action, telly, SPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action, I don't fold a band when it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really they been hating cause they ain't us. Lock in and get dangerous. What you get you see, I'll always be me. What you get you see, I need no ID, I need nothing, no, something wrong. I like Kim Rose, I need money rolls, flip it go, see you when I'm old. In a Tesla, still would ride a diesel, I'm not Reno, but the checks was. Now they come in wires, I'm retired off the best ones. I was in the creek and in the dirt, I lived on both sides. There was always be no double life, can't pick the best ones. Friends they come and go, so are the best ones. Through the lowest lows, and I still got blessed up. I've been running non-stop, I can't rest up. I just keep on working till I'm the best up. I've been trying to do right, but getting left much. Slipped and fell a few times, still got my chest up. In the gym, I got my chest up. New Tacovas on my toes, now that the check's up. Giddy up! Lock in, lights, camera, action, telly, SPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action, I don't fold a band when it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really they been hating cause they ain't us. Lock in and get dangerous. Look in the mirror just for motivation. I see my past, I see my kids, it gets me motivated. Don't gotta say it, I just know they're hating. Little white boy, tattoos and money, Ben had that motion, baby. I got that motion like the ocean, baby. 9 to 5, then the 5 to 9, yeah, they used to call me crazy. I put that work in, you can't call me lazy. I'm in the light, no pressure, never faze me. Got me shining like a diamond, put one on my lady. Only one girl who could call me baby. Vision clear, I used to see it hazy. Vision clear, I can see it now. Every time they try to take me out, back to back, I'm wildin' now. I hit the top and didn't say a word. I hit the top and didn't say a word, and still they never shout me out. This not for you, I'm tryna make me proud. This not for you, I'm tryna make me proud. In the mirror, say it loud. Lock in, lights, camera, action, telly, SPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action, I don't fold a band when it's time to win. Trolling cause we're rolling under lights, we don't get anxious. Do it with a purpose, we don't do it to be famous. Really they been hating cause they ain't us. Lock in and get dangerous.
Fear none, gotta stand tall too many times. Bust down a new Jacob, just too many diamonds. Like, what you gon' do, baby, you too damn fine. Let's run it up. They don't wanna see us in the playoffs. 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 I could see y'all play out. Y'all boys gon' lose it, ain't no doubt. Can't use my name for no more clout. If y'all wanna win, just follow my route. Shorty rollin', shorty tryna get it rollin'. Young and grindin', he gon' get it. Put them peas up in the stoley. He gon' drive 1,000 miles till his pockets keep on growing. I be skating all the ice on my neck like a goalie. When she with you, yeah, shorty, she pursuing me. Would hate if I was you, yeah. We the best to do it, baby. We the best to do it, We the best to do it, baby. Got a hat trick, that 3 shorties on the daily. My mom gone, I just crashed a new Mercedes. Took a picture with her, not a think she famous. It's bye-bye, little baby. I'm in a trap ballin' like Jordan, like we in the 80s. In the field, youngest don't around like Brady. Catchin' plays, always 50K, what they gotta pay me. Gotta go on this, can't let them play me. Don't be crazy. No. They don't wanna see us in the playoffs. 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 I could see y'all play out. Y'all boys gon' lose it, ain't no doubt. Can't use my name for no more clout. If y'all wanna win, just follow my route.
Like 24/7, we get it, we run up a check. I'm in the Yorish. They call me a goat, black 4Gs to make them upset. VV's a bustin', can't fuck with no SIs. My jeweler a chef, we king of the city. I'm the best of the best. Shorty rollin', shorty tryna get it rollin'. Young and grindin', he gon' get it. Put them peas up in the stoley. He gon' drive 1,000 miles, so his pockets keep on growing. I be skiing all this ice on my neck like a goalie. When she with you, yeah, shorty, she pursuing me. Would hate if I was you, yeah. We the best to do it, baby. We the best to do it, We the best to do it, baby.
They don't wanna see us in the playoffs. 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 I could see y'all play out. Y'all boys gon' lose it, ain't no doubt. Can't use my name for no more clout. If y'all wanna win, just follow my route.
So I've had enough of painting. I've done 2 coats of the primer paint because I was worried about the amount of filler that was in places. So I just went over it again, make sure that it was all sealed up nice. So and it's cheaper. So what I'm gonna probably do 1 coat of top coat Monday over the whole of the white stuff. I also need to get some more rollers because I didn't realise the 2 that I've got left are actually the wrong ones. They don't fit the roller handle. So I've done a bit of clean up the paint bucket and stuff. And I'm thinking the rest of the day, it's only a couple of hours, I'm going to start marking out and cutting the holes for all the spotlights. There's 39 altogether, I think, but obviously 5 of them are going to be in the main bathroom, which isn't ready for it anyway. So yeah, it looks really good in there. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. The ceilings look nice, flat. There's still some scuffs here and there, but I've got to rein it in a little bit. I'm never going to get it perfect, even though I'd like to. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm quite happy with the finish and the extra work I put in.